300. 300. Classic. You see the classic in there? Oh, shit. You know what that means. You see that on the floor. AMS. HKS blow valves. The legit, you know, as you can see. Legit. On the 2021. A Tech Performance. You see that? You see that? Going on basic today. I'm gonna go all with this one, as you can see. No joke. No joke. We're doing the HKS blow valve install, as you can see that. And as well, we're doing the AMS brand new content. This is the AMS race heat exchanger. This one is 32 millimeter compared to the OEM one that's 11. As well as I have the BMS inlets. Let me put this away real quick, guys. Hold on. So yes, as I was saying, we have the HKS blow valves. Got the K&N intake inserts. We have the BMS Burger Motorsport inlets. Just gonna like replace the intake. We got the red to match the red sport. This is like the wiring. This is the AMS race heat exchanger for now. We'll be installing down the Q50 2021. You know, looking nice and clean. Sheesh. Never been under this shit. Sheesh. Right now we in step one, taking apart the bumper. You can see my guy. AAA type performance. I'm over here waiting. I didn't want to bother him, you know, give him a space. He's doing his thing over there, as you can see. Can't really go over there and show you anything that's being done. She's looking pretty good right now, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, this right here is the OEM heat exchanger. And the difference between that and the AMS heat exchanger. Wow. Already basically less than half of this one. Huge difference, bro. Gains, bro. Gains right here, as you can see that. This right here is 11. Compared to 32 right here. Just finished the AMS race heat exchanger right now. Looking nice and clean. AAA Tech Performance. Next step, we're gonna bleed it. Take out what air trap, you already know. Looking nice and clean. Just finished off right now with the AMS race heat exchanger. Look at that bumper, boy. It should look aggressive. Taken care of, as you can see. There's the alpha right there, AMS Performance. Nothing but the best when it comes to that. With the fresh vision lighting, looking aggressive. Yep. Now we're almost done with that. And then after that, we should be doing the blow valve, and we're good to go. Nice and clean. You already know, got the fresh vision lighting. You know what's that down there? Got the OEM that's getting replaced. We'll replace that. Everything looking good. Yeah, so like as you can see, we just finished installing the AMS race heat exchanger. It's somewhere down there, as you can see, right here. AMS race heat exchanger, we just finished installing it. Now after that, we're gonna install the BMS inlets. We're gonna replace that. We're gonna put new intake, new filters. It's gonna look good, bro. It's gonna look good. Y'all gonna see, man. We're gonna keep you updated. In the meantime, man, I want to replace this, man. I want to take this off so bad, but it's in the show. So I need to figure something out that I could do. You know what I'm saying? For now, everything's looking pretty good, though. Everything's looking pretty good for now, man. Pretty good. Don't mind the cut. I'm getting the cut. As you can see, we just installed the AMS race heat exchanger. That's the new one. We just finished installing that. Next will be the BMS inlets, which I can't wait for that. And Canon brand new filters on top of that, so we chilling. And then the best of the best, the HKS blower valves with the red wires, bro. So it's gonna look real nice. You're gonna see, man. Stay tuned. Look at that small ass OEM one, man, compared to the freaking aftermarket one. But yeah, we're gonna have fun here. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Look at that Burger Motorsports, one of the best, as you can see. Got the red wires over here. We're not playing, bro. We are not playing. There we go. Uninstalling the OEM ones. Reinstalling the BMS inlets, replacing the silicone. Everything looking pretty good, bro. It's looking good. Anybody with the VR30 platform, you already know, AAA Tech Performance. You can find him on Instagram. I'll put his description down below.
You got nobody else to try and take it off for you?
Only one person that came was you. I asked Ziggy. Ziggy said, "Yo, you can't. You gotta use the fucking gas line too for it."
But yeah, but I gotta finish up this, man. I do a couple things. I gotta do blow valves, and then I gotta do the inlets, like an hour.
Alright, let me put this AC equipment into it.
OEM housing, as you can see. The OEM housing has like some shreds on it.
Jesus Christ.
You're the guy, bro. That's it. See, that's the OEM one right there. I have like those shrouds on it with a little vents, and that messes with the airflow. Compared to the BMS inlets that they just go straight through, which I will show you in a little bit.
I know how it goes, man. Trust me.
Got the BMS inlets installed. Looking nice, looking nice. About to install the HKS blow valve with the red piping for the Q50. Yeah, I've been trying to do like some YouTube shit. It's a lot of work. With the red wiring for the red sport. So much shit.
It is so much shit.
Now we bleeding the system right now for the AMS. Now how does that work?
That suck out.
It sucks out the air and shit like that?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. That's it.
You know what coolant? We take the blue one, right?
Blue. I have it already.
I forgot to buy that shit. I was like, fuck. Yeah, shit's on. You see blow valves right there. How you looking? Sheesh. She sound nice, bro. That's good right there. nice, looking nice, yo. Woo. Hella low, hella low, hella low. Perfect.